This United Forum of Banks Union consists of 9 unions, 5 workmen staff union and 4 officers union. Our demand is 5 days work week. 5 days work week demand is over the decade. It is still lying pending with the government for approval. Due to lack of approval, over the period of say 2 years, employees is agitated. But last resort is to go on strike. So UFBU has decided to go on strike on 27th January 2026. We are going for a one-day bank strike. It is a pan-India strike, nationwide. We are demanding the all Saturdays off. In today's banking, bank employees work beyond working hours. Giving holiday or by demanding Saturdays off, there will be no loss to the customers because in today's people are doing UPI, mobile banking, WhatsApp, internet banking. So more than 80% it is done on digital forum. On 27th January, we will going on strike. We request all the customers to do the banking in advance. ATMs will be loaded fully. There will be no shortage of cash in ATMs. United Forum of Banks Union will go ahead with the strike. And if it is not done on 27, after 27, then we will go for more agitational programs.